Hi, my name is Lawrence Hansen. I am the CEO and owner of Hansen Classic Cars. I do car restorations. So usually when the car comes in, it looks like this, and when the car goes out again, it looks like that. Right now at the moment, the car I just showed you is up for sale. So if you're interested in that vehicle, the buy-in description, the purchasing information is under this video. So please check that out. Last but not least, I want to say to you all that right now I'm starting up an amazing adventure together with a customer where I have taken in an old Opel like this. I have sort of aided and helped the customer find the right model, the right engine type, the right year. Right now I've taken the car in. The car needs a total restoration. There's a ton of stuff that needs to be done. Paint job, there is engines, parts, there's a ton of stuff. There's gonna be more videos. And the 1st of October, this customer will receive his old Opel. I'm so much looking forward to it. It's gonna be amazing. If you also are interested in something similar, there is my mail contact and my phone number comes right here. Please contact me and let's get in touch and let's see if we can help each other out so you also can be able to find and afford your dream vintage vehicle. You guys have an amazing one out there. That's it for me right now. Take care. Bye.